Oh, you're already here. Hello, everybody. How are you all? Welcome to Phonology, learning with fun. I hope you all liking my videos. So, today I'm going to teach you how to make a snail. And you know what? It is very simple to make. And you can make it on your own. You need just a little help from your parents. So are you ready for all the magic? Great! So you want to know what all we need to make a snail? Alright. We need a big round shaped cutout and one small round shaped cutout. We'll make the body of the snail with the bigger circle and the shell with the smaller circle. Snails are having shell. You know that? And when they get scared, they hide themselves in the shell. Alright, and so what all we need? One big circle, one small circle, and two very small circles to make the eyes of the snail. We need small strip, glue stick, crayon, and a sketch pen or a marker, right? So, are you all ready for the magic? Alright, get ready. Great. So, we'll take the bigger circle, cut out, right? And you need to take help from your parents to cut the round shape. Great. And we will fold it fold like this and make a half circle like this. And take the other one. And we need the sketch pen. What we are going to do, we are going to draw the circular lines on it to make the shell of the snail. It is very easy to bake, very easy. You will really enjoy. See, it's done. So to add more colors in it, we need a crayon and just put crayon on it to add more colors. Ta-da! Now the shell is about to get ready, and it's ready with some crayon on it, right? So what we are going to do, this is the body of the snail and the shell. We'll put some glue here. We'll put some glue with backside. And let's paste it on the body of the snail. Fix it from here. See? Like this. Done? I'm waiting, you can do with me. Right. So, the next step is, we need one strip. Just fold it like this and make it a V out of it. And we are going to paste the eyes on these strips. Right? We'll put some glue on the it. ready. So what all we need now? Again we need the sketch pen to make the eyes. We need the eyes of the snail. See? So simple to make. Now we will place it at the side of the body like this. Again we need some glue here. And we paste it at the back side like this. And the snail's eyes are ready. And it's a happy snail. So we will make a smiley face also, a smile on the snail. See, it's ready. And I have made another one for myself also, the bigger snail. You want to see? Ta-da! And you can move it like this. The snail can dance and rock and roll like this. Yippee! I hope you liked making the snail. And yeah, one fun fact about the snails. Snails don't have ears. So they cannot hear. And they walk very slow. And they love to eat green leaves. And they want to rock and roll like this. I hope you like watching my videos, and if you like it, please press the bell icon. So until the next video, keep smiling and shining. Bye-bye.